Imagine waking up every day and not wanting to go to work. Frustrating, isn't it? I am Petranilla Estreada, a student of the University of the West Indies Open Campus, and this is an MGMT6019 oral presentation on the direct effect of job satisfaction on employee attitudes. A person with a high level of job satisfaction holds positive feelings about his or her job, while a dissatisfied person holds negative feelings. Am I not right? The attitude of an employee towards work is directly linked to job satisfaction. An employee who is satisfied with his job performs better and excels at his duties. It is therefore important for an organization to understand the attitude of employees and measure their job satisfaction. As job satisfaction plays a key role in productivity, or does it? A worker's attitude and job satisfaction deals with how an organization behaves. Now, that is not to say if you are not satisfied, you will not work. As everyone knows, if you don't work, you don't get paid, and you can also get fired. The average working hours per week is 40 hours, so instead, employees resort to doing the bare minimum. There are also those that, despite not being satisfied, work to the max because the job is their passion. They enjoy doing it. So that means job satisfaction deals with the relationship employees have with the employer. Interesting, right? Even the most talented and skilled employees might be prone to underperformance if there is lack of a proper attitude. So what makes you satisfied as an employee? A nice salary? No. Even managers are dissatisfied with their job sometimes. So the work environment, how an employee is treated, the relationship they have with their colleagues, and the actual work they perform plays a role in satisfaction. According to Azari 2011, job satisfaction represents one of the most complex areas facing today's managers when it comes to managing their employees. Many studies have demonstrated an unusually large impact on job satisfaction on the motivation of workers, while the level of motivation has an impact on productivity and performance. So many may be asking, what is the direct effect of job satisfaction on an employee's attitude? Work attitude includes one's feelings, beliefs, and thoughts about the job. It is affected by a good relationship with supervisors. Fact is, no one wants to feel overworked and underappreciated. Good communication, job security, and the ability to use skills and abilities helps decrease absenteeism, encourages volunteer turnover, builds trust, encourages teamwork, communication, and responsibility, which leads to positive attitudes and behaviors, and improved performance and commitment, as everyone wants to feel useful. Isn't that right? Now, job satisfaction is a complex and multifaceted concept, which means different things to different people. But it is one of the main factors to efficiency and effectiveness in an organization. According to Abdirahman 2018, employees' performance is totally crucial in the organization. Each employee has a distinct feeling towards the job. Job satisfaction is influenced by attitudes as well as the ability to settle the required tasks. Communication and how managers treat employees are also important. They require motivators such as giving responsibility, promotions and advancement, recognition, and job security. According to Van and Bota 2014, job satisfaction and motivation are two rather broad concepts, but extremely significant for individual employees, showing that productivity and profitability can be good measure for total employee satisfaction. The notion of happiness at work is becoming increasingly important since work takes up a good portion of people's lives. Job security at the workplace helps in shaping and enhancing attitudes of employees. A good organization tries to keep its employees satisfied since it increases loyalty and leads to a positive atmosphere. Organizations must consider what an employee needs to know since as their job description, such as their job description, feedback on their performance, If incentives are provided and tips on improving their productivity and performance. Not knowing these things can lead to mental health burnout. According to Evans et al. 2006, stress may exacerbate recruitment and retention problems. Thus, employees must recognize the demands and value of their employees. Though some may agree that the employee is the only one in control of their attitude and performance, I beg to differ. In conclusion, attitude is everything and has a direct impact on job satisfaction, while employee engagement has a significant impact on employee performance. To improve employee job performance, employers have to do more than just improve wages, discipline rules, work methods, supervision, and promotion. It requires encouraging employees to engage and be part of the organization by involving them and providing the relevant skills and training. External factors such as the environment, social situations, and cultures tend to affect workers' attitude and job satisfaction. It is my opinion that both parties have to decide on work attitude and job satisfaction. Thank you. Do you have any questions?